Do you handle paper-based operations and intensive manual work on a daily basis? Do you experience team misalignments and project delays? Do you encounter data inconsistencies? Envision a new way to work without operational chaos. Introducing Procify, an AI-powered business process automation platform that digitizes and automates business processes via connecting teams, data, and systems into a common workspace. What type of processes? From simple to the most complex ones. Procify helps you reduce operational costs and gain 360 visibility over your processes and KPIs with just a few clicks, whether you are a business user or an IT leader. With our powerful platform, you can leverage 3 major capabilities: build, run, measure. Let's get a closer look at how it works. Build your processes with our intuitive and friendly UI/UX workflow builder. Just write your prompt describing your process needs and let our AI suggest a ready-made workflow, or start your workflow from scratch. You only need to connect boxes that represent different types of tasks: automatic, manual, decision points, and parallel flows. Trigger emails, loops, API calls to your existing systems, automate document generation, e-signatures, and more. Leverage GenAI to summarize, translate, generate, and analyze content. Need smart document handling? Our intelligent document processing recognizes and classifies files automatically. For manual tasks, create dynamic, customizable forms in seconds. Assign tasks to entire departments or specific users, and let the data collected to feed your workflow's next steps. Once the process is built, the next step is to run it. Every time a workflow runs, a new case is created, generating all tasks automatically, and notifying the assigned team members to take action. All users have access to their personal tasks view, while managers can see an overview of the open cases to pinpoint bottlenecks and reassign tasks if needed. With all of these being available everywhere with any device. Wondering how to keep your work on schedule? Procify instantly notifies your people via email when a task has fallen behind and requires their immediate attention. Last but not least, as processes run, they produce data, used to measure productivity KPIs. Procify's overview dashboards turn the data into real-time insights at every level. Process execution, to track progress, spot delays, and uncover bottlenecks. Team performance, to monitor task completion and workload. Individual activity, to view user progress and productivity. So why choose to work with Procify? Ease of use, a user-friendly interface, no technical expertise required. Deliverability, fast and adaptable implementation that evolves with your needs every time something changes. Customer excellence, a dedicated team by your side at every step, ensuring your success. Your business is safe with us since data security is our top priority. Compatibility is also key, as Procify can integrate your workflows with the systems and apps you already have. We are here to make your everyday life at work easier, fast, and hassle-free. One platform. Every process. Just Procify. Request a demo today.